So folks, this is why you want to clean your filters annually. If you don't, then your filter will be your evaporative coil. And this is extremely difficult to do. This is not easy. Packing in the coil drain too. This is an air quality issue as well, because the coil sits right above your furnace and it could burn up this dust in here and kind of make your allergies or other things kick off if you have them or if you're allergic to anything.
It almost looks like hair. It's so thick and coarse.
Yeah, it's almost impossible to get down into that little crevice there. At the very end of the V. I mean, what it is it's actually stuck inside in between everything. This one here we need to like rinse. We've already put a evaporative coil cleaner in it, so it hopefully it broke down everything in between the coil, but there's no way we're gonna be able to get this literally 100% clean. You want a moth? It's amazing how they get all the way up into your furnace. Filter coil.
And if you do this, remember to wear a mask. There's a lot of dust and particulates in here you really don't want to be breathing in.
No.
That's why you're watching this video, because you want to call us to do this for you.
Or just get rid of it and put a new one in. Look at all that. We've only cleaned part of it.
One section. Change your filter, people.
That's why it's critical having a really high quality filtration system. You don't get bugs in your duct, you know. So what we did is we removed this furnace, and now we put a filter box on it that's engineered for it. Gosh, this is awful. Oh, we're getting there. This also will totally affect the way your heater works. If it can't unload air through this coil, then your furnace will not operate right. It just will not work. cat bowl. Kitty cat. That looks like what cats spit up.
Always the jokester.
Oh. Hey, I found a ladybug in here. Oh, good luck, huh, for me. Alright, this side now. This is pretty awful.
It's about the size of a squirrel, just for reference.
Squirrel coil. Oh, we need to flip that around and rinse it again. Alright. This side right here is the worst. It's like oh, all right. Go a little.
Standard soap.
No chemicals. Oh, nice.
You always want to spray from inside the coil like this to push everything out instead of the other way around.
You want to do it this way, yeah. Ooh. I think this might get a little bit harder, huh?
Definitely the worst that I've ever seen.
One of the worst I've ever had to repair, yeah. Made it all the way through into here too, which it should never. Well, this is a good reminder for all you guys that are a little complacent on cleaning your filter coil. You got to be really cautious to take care of that, because if you don't, your furnace filter is going to end up being your evaporator coil, and these, you know, it can do several things. It can actually mess your heater up. It can make it trip the high limit switch because it's unable to unload the heat. It's also going to affect your utility bill because it's not going to be able to blow air fast enough across the heater. So, I mean,
We are using hot water for this also. That'll break it down a little bit.
yeah, cold water would kind of, just like anything, you don't wash your dishes in cold water, right? I don't know, some people probably do. Not the smart ones.
Well, my mom said it good.
Don't you ever wash your dishes with cold water there, Jared? I tell you. But Mom, it don't burn my hands. If it don't hurt, it don't work. No pain, no gain.
I think we're gonna have to flip this around to get this side, yeah. Put this side over there. And then we can kind of reverse it all. How does it look inside there now? A lot better.
Pretty clean.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a well-maintained 20-plus-year-old well.
I like how this piece has dripped on here over the years and started to oxidate it.
Good.
You want to fill that water for me?